let's talk about net areas. So here you see a curve in blue. Okay, you can think about it as a function. And we see that there is a region bounded by this curve in the x-axis. So above here in green are regions that are above the x-axis, and in red are regions below the x-axis. The net area is defined as the area of the regions above the x-axis here in green minus the area of the regions below the x-axis in red. So for example, if this little corner here, this region here had an area of say 4, and say this one here had an area of say 1, and this region here in red has an area of say 2, okay, then what is the net area from A to B? Okay, so if we want the net area of the regions bounded by this curve in the x-axis, well, what is that? Well, it's going to be equal to the area of the regions above, which is 4 plus 1, minus the area of the regions below. Here we just have this 2, and so we'll get that the net area is equal to 3 there. Okay? And we make a distinction between the net area and the area. So if we were asked instead for the area bounded between this curve and the x-axis, well, the area would be 4 plus 1 plus 2, so it would be 7, whereas the net area is 3. Now, it's very common after learning this material to hear of people talking about area under the curve when they actually mean net area. So we make a hard distinction between net area and area when we first encounter this concept, but later on, when people talk about areas under curves, they generally mean net areas. So that's just something to be cautious about.